Hello, my name's Maggie Richardson, and this is my final reflection for IDT 7061 for the summer 2022 semester. Starting with the lesson plan and technology, this everything that I say is gonna kind of integrate together because I think everything that we have to go over in this assignment kind of goes hand in hand, and it all kind of changed together pretty much how the semester was. So starting with the objectives in Bloom's taxonomy, I used to think that it was challenging to move through and to create integrated technology integrated objectives with Bloom's taxonomy. I used to think that that was a challenge, and now I don't really think that that's a challenge anymore. I don't think that that's a challenge because of things like using the visible thinking task and uh, and being able to fully understand the standards of ISTE. So I didn't really understand them beforehand, and I didn't know the easy access to them. Which I mean, I had an assumption that they were on the internet and they were there, but I didn't really know them that well, and so now I know them more, and I feel much more comfortable with using them. I also didn't realize uh, how creative I could become when it came to assessment in mathematics and integrating technology with that. I didn't really know how to use very many of the Google productivity tools beforehand. I think that kind of showed with my first submission of the Google Slides assignment that I didn't really know what I was doing, and I was just trying to copy paste and get her done. And now I really know how to use that. The concept mapping, I did know how to do concept mapping, but I did not know how to do that on Google Draw. And now I know how to, and I also know how frustrating that is. I also didn't know how to use Flipgrid beforehand, and now I know how to use Flipgrid, and we use that at Cape On, so that was really reassuring to use that in this class, and then to be more comfortable with it now. The animated videos and the cartoons, I didn't know how to do any of those, and now I know how to do them. I also didn't realize how funny those were. Those are actually hilarious, and I really, really enjoyed those. Um, I also had never done a visual storytelling, so that was my first time on doing that, and now I know how to do that. Which I thought was an easy assignment, but it was hard for me to come up with an idea for math. So I'm glad you guys gave me the idea. Outside of that, I think that it would be a challenge to come up with. I also didn't know when it came to the assistive technology that there was a talking calculator out there, and I didn't realize that it was so cheap. I thought that that was very cool because I used to have nonverbal students, and so I thought that that would be very useful for those students. They immediately came to my mind whenever I found out about that. Um, I think that about covers it. I'm looking at the checklist, and yeah, I think that about covers it. Uh, I really enjoyed this course. I was not comfortable with using technology at all in the classroom before. I mean, I was comfortable with doing, Khan Academy and PowerPoint and, Word. And that was about it. So now I feel much more comfortable and I'm much more confident in myself, my ability to integrate it into the classroom. So when we implement blended learning at Cape Bond this year, I feel confident in my ability to make an effective technology and online station for my students in my math class. So thank you for helping me feel confident in this first year. And I'm looking forward to Monday. Have a good fall semester.